Get me, my daddy about to eat cake. Oh, get it.
Tyra. Hey, Tyra. Look. Nah, she was dancing off the bus. Look at that. When the bus pulled up, she was already dancing outside. Oh, get a girl. See that? Get a girl. It's a medical center. She all that cellulite.
Yo, we got some nipples.
That shit like whoop.
Your man started throwing some
Get it.
That man started throwing some nipples.
Oh my goodness, like that.
Never hurt nobody. I never hurt nobody. Oh, Daddy, make me smile.
You ain't take your medicine?
I did.
The middle one here not even done. See what I did.
What did you do with it? What she did?
Ask her who got her. Who got you like that? Your daddy? Your daddy got me like that. Daddy got you like that? Big Daddy.
Big
He got you loose like this? Loose as a goose. Early in the day.
You want some nipples?
Gerard said he wants some nipples.
You want to start throwing nipples?
You got hot bathing suit. That's a bathing suit.
Got money in the bank. Shorty, what you trying? Money in the bank. Shorty, what you trying?
Where you getting off at?
She said a lick.
That's what you get off at. What you listening to? What you listening to?
Batman, who the king?
They said Birdie, who the king? The king got you like that, huh? They call her freak nasty.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
I just know that this man about to kick me off. I ain't kicked off nobody be kicked. It's my first round.
That's the first for everything.